Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to buy Bitcoin with PayPal on Coinbase in 7 simple steps. Let's go. Step 1. Ensure PayPal is set up. Make sure you have an active PayPal account and if it is linked to a payment method, bank account, or card. Step 2. Log into Coinbase. Open the Coinbase app or go to the Coinbase website and log into your account. Step 3. Navigate to Settings. Tap on the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner of the app. Go to Settings and then Payment Methods. Step 4. Add PayPal as payment method. Tap on Add a payment method. Select PayPal from the list of available options. Follow the prompts to log in to your PayPal account and authorize Coinbase to connect. Step 5. Buy Bitcoin. Once PayPal is added as a payment method, go to the Buy/Sell section. Select Bitcoin or BTC from the list of cryptocurrencies. Enter the amount you want to buy in your local currency or in Bitcoin. Step 6. Select PayPal as payment method. Under the payment methods, choose PayPal. Review the transaction details, including any fees. Step 7. Complete the purchase. Tap Buy Now to complete the transaction. You may need to confirm the purchase through PayPal by logging in and authorizing the payment. After these steps, the Bitcoin will be added to your Coinbase wallet.